This is actually pretty good. I can just take a nap. How's it going, YouTube? Alright, welcome back. So now I'm actually doing something a little different here, and I'm going to be unboxing the baby bed. Alright, so what I ended up doing was buying a NewtonBaby bed. Newton. It was actually a very high top-rated bed, so I'm kind of stoked to actually see what it feels like. I'm going to lay on it. But it's not their highest top tier model, because they have one that's waterproof. So that's one of those things that I chose not to get the waterproof one. I figured this one will probably breathe a little better, just thinking in my mind, you know, if they're doing like a water propellant on it, it might not breathe. Even though it still said it was breathable, I chose to go with this one. It was a $50 difference, but other than that, you know, I'll start the unboxing video. Like I said, this is actually a great product. I'll put the link in the description. Definitely go check it out. It was one of the highest rated beds on the market. So, let's jump into it. Let me try it out myself, just because I kind of want to see how it feels. $300 baby bed versus those $100 guys. And like I said, a lot of those, they were plastic, so I kind of was a little upset. So I was kind of like, eh. So, and this guy has a zipper all the way around, so you can just unzip it, throw it in the wash. If your washer has sanitize mode on there, throw it in there on delicate, and you shouldn't have any issues. Alright, $300 baby bed, let's see how this feels. And it's actually, considering I did not sink in that much, it actually feels pretty good. I almost said the D word, sorry guys. Oh, wow, this actually feels pretty good. Doesn't feel like you want to roll. This is actually pretty good. I can just take a nap. Let's take a look at this material here. Oops, sorry guys. So this material is this guy right here. And like I said, it's actually a very interesting material, because it actually does feel very comfortable. You don't have any weird smell out of it, which is actually pretty interesting. I was thinking that it would have some sort of smell, but no, it actually, like I said, feels pretty good. And you can breathe right through it, like I was saying, so don't have to worry about the baby suffocating. Very simple, very easy. You know, like I said, I'm pretty impressed with it. I am pretty impressed with it, guys. And if you know me, that's kind of a tough thing to do, is to impress me with a particular product. And Newton actually kind of went above and beyond in that. So again, click that link below, take a look. It's actually it's pretty cool. So anyway, guys, let me try to drop it in the bed here, and we'll see how it looks. All right. Wow, that is a snug fit, guys. Not gonna lie, I kind of want to jump in there. Kind of want to lay in it, guys. It looks really comfortable. Should I? No. I might look out to break it, and then the wife will go into labor early, and then we won't be able to get a new one. But overall, I actually dig the fit. The fit actually looks really good. It's actually snug all the way around. It has an amazing feel to it, guys. Like a super amazing feel. I am impressed. Thank you, Newton. All right, guys. Anyway, yeah, it actually looks really cool. I'm super stoked. Everything kind of went to plan, so I'm actually excited. Next thing I have to build is actually a rocking chair. Hopefully I can do that next weekend, and I'll get that video out to you guys as well. But overall, everything turned out great. Marty using the shelves to stack stuff. Overall, it's been amazing. Again, you know, I would like to thank everybody that was part of the my registry on Amazon for actually helping out. And yeah, it's one of those things that I'm super stoked that a lot of people were able to help out with. And you know, me and Rocio pretty happy, you know, with everything that everybody, pretty amazingly happy. You know, we're both really excited, and we really appreciate everybody that was able to buy everything for us. Again, thank you YouTube for coming and supporting us as well. You know, subscribing, liking, commenting. We definitely hear what you guys say. We definitely try to change every video so you guys are more entertained, are willing to watch the whole episode. And like I said, I'm super glad that I've been able to work with everybody and get the type of help from everybody as well, and the support. I can't wait to you know, get the new little guy, the Alvin, or as Rocio calls him, AJ, into the bed. I'm really stoked, guys. And again, thank you all, and have a great day, guys. Enjoy YouTube. First timers out.